In this video, we dive into the world of Deferred Prosecution Agreements, or DPAs, and their implications for immigration, particularly for naturalized U.S. citizens. We'll explore what DPAs are, how they work, and what potential immigration impacts they might present. We'll also discuss the importance of proper documentation and consulting with legal professionals. Let's get started. Here's what we'll cover in today's video. We'll start with an introduction to Deferred Prosecution Agreements, followed by their immigration implications. After that, I'll outline key considerations you should be aware of. We'll then move on to some legal and travel advice, and finally, wrap up with key takeaways and a summary. Deferred Prosecution Agreements are a type of agreement used by prosecutors where they delay prosecuting a criminal case. If the defendant fulfills certain conditions like community service or counseling, the charges can be dismissed and the record expunged. It's important to understand these agreements, especially considering their implications on immigration status. Let's address some key considerations for naturalized U.S. citizens. First, deportation is not possible for U.S. citizens, which is a fundamental right. However, unless prior issues were disclosed during naturalization, complications might arise. Not disclosing charges could affect the naturalization process and, in very rare cases, might lead to denaturalization. It's crucial to ensure all your documents are in order, especially when traveling. It's vital to consult an immigration attorney for advice specific to your situation. Gathering all documentation related to any DPAs, dismissals, or expungements is also crucial. This proactive approach can help prevent potential legal complications. Quiz time. What is the primary function of a Deferred Prosecution Agreement, or DPA for short? Is it A. to immediately prosecute a case, B. to indefinitely delay a case, C. to delay prosecution given conditions to be met, or D. to end a legal proceeding? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is option C. To delay prosecution giving conditions to be met. A deferred prosecution agreement delays the process while the defendant fulfills certain conditions. If these are met, the charges might be dismissed. Here's a quick summary. Deferred prosecution agreements can help in delaying prosecution by meeting specific conditions. It's crucial to consider immigration implications, especially for naturalized U.S. citizens. Always maintain thorough documentation, and never hesitate to seek personalized legal advice to navigate through any complexities. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time.